Hello, YouTube lovies. It's Sunday in August, 2025. Rotator cuff repair surgery solo. Um, Barbara Lynn. I don't even think I introduced myself before, but I'm making a couple of videos. I'm trying to document my recovery process because I'm doing this alone. Not for the first week of surgery. My sister flew down, but God, I can't even compose myself right now. Right now, I specifically want to talk about post-op depression. Um, Clearly, it's a very real thing. I've suffered from depression and anxiety, and one day I'll make a movie or a book out of it. Yeah, like everybody else in the world. Anyway, prepare for this. I'm frustrated. Physical therapy eval was a Wednesday. It's Friday. A couple of the homework assignments I can't do because I live in a shoebox and I don't have a doorway for the pulley thingy thing they want me to do. And I'm very grateful for the stretches that they're having me do because my clavicle and I'm just a one hot mess. Anyway, be prepared to deal with this. I don't know if it's anesthesia withdrawal still. I mean, according to my medical professional friends, it could last a month, a couple months, who knows. It could be because it's a surgical procedure too that's, trauma to your body. And I'm already prone to it. So, which is why I said in my early video, make a happy place. Mine is my little garden area. I sit there in my chair and I do my stretches and the things I can do out there with my butterfly garden, and that's my happy place. Trying to figure out a way to make music. That's my therapy. I for my own personal reasons, do not choose to take medication. I control my happy place by not being around toxic people. Learning at a very early age. Well, stage, should I say, and codependency issues. The list could go on and on and on. But again, this is a thing. It's a very real thing, and be prepared to deal with it. And if you're alone like I am, make sure you reach out to friends. Do things that make you happy. Open mics is my thing. I can't play my guitar, but I get to, play rock star with my friends behind me. If you're an artist, you're going to have to learn how to do it with your other hand. I'm right-handed, clearly. But find something to entertain yourself with, because this is going to be a long recovery, and when physical therapy starts, it's going to really suck. So make sure you have a comfortable place to lay in your bed with your little ice pack on. Take it easy and slow. Listen to your doctor. Do what they say, and don't do what they say as well. Don't overuse your shoulder. Do only what they allow you to do. And I've been very hyper vigilant about this. And your ice machine is going to be your best friend, so make sure it's set up close by and easy to get in and out of. And I might make a video on how I deal with that later. In fact, I know I will, because it's kind of tricky.